Hello friends, today let's solve one activity based question based on the topic linear equations in two variables. The question is, complete the following table to draw the graph of the equation 2x minus 6y that is equal to 3. So this is the question based on solution of linear equations in two variables by graphical method. So for that one we have to draw the graph of an equation which is given to us, and to draw the graph of the given equation we have to find some points which we have to plot on the graph paper. So for that we need this type of coordination table, and by having these coordinates x and y coordinates we can draw the graph of a certain equation. Now to complete the coordinates table we have to use the given equation. So first of all we should write the given equation 2x minus 6y that is equal to 3. So this is the equation given. Now we have to complete this coordinates table by this equation. For the first column the value of the first variable is given, that is x is minus 5 is given, and for that value we have to find the value of the other variable, that's y, and from that we can have the coordinates xy. Now here for x is equal to minus 5 we have to find the value of y. So in the given equation if we replace x by minus 5, the equation will become 2 into x, that is 2 into minus 5, minus 6y that is equal to 3. So minus 5 into 2, that's minus 10, minus 6y that is equal to 3. We have to find the value of y. So if we transfer minus 6y to the right hand side, and if we take 3 to the left hand side, we will have minus 10 as it is on the left hand side, plus 3 coming to the left hand side, it will become minus 3, and that is equal to minus 6y. On the right hand side it will become plus 6y. So minus 10 minus 3, it should be minus 13 is equal to 6y. If we take 6 to the left hand side, it will be in the denominator, so as to get minus 13 divided by 6 that is equal to y. So this is the value of y when x is equal to minus 5. So when x is minus 5 we get the value of y as minus 13 divided by 6, and the coordinates would be, firstly the x coordinate should be there, that is minus 5, and the y coordinate is minus 13 divided by 6 as it is. So this is the first coordinate for plotting the graph 2x minus 6y is equal to 3. Now in the second column value of y is given, so we have to again consider the same equation 2x minus 6y is equal to 3. Now here the value of variable y is given, so for y is equal to 0, that means we have to find the value of variable x for y is equal to 0. So for that we have to substitute the variable y by 0 in the given equation. So the equation will become 2x minus 6 into y, that is 6 into 0 is equal to 3. Now 2x minus 6 into 0, that's 0, that is equal to 3. So 2x minus 0, that's 2x is equal to 3. If we take 2 to the right hand side, it will be in the denominator, so as to get 3 divided by 2. So when y is 0, in that case we get the value of variable x as 3 divided by 2. So the coordinates are xy, that means 3 by 2, and the value of variable y is 0. So coordinates are 3 by 2, 0. So this is how we can complete any coordinates table if an equation is given and the value of one of the variables is given. So that's it. I hope you understand this. Thanks for watching.